Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, I'm diving into one of the smartest, most advanced robot lawnmowers that I've ever tested. This in front of me is the Segway Navimow X350, and it's part of the brand new X3 Series lineup from Navimow. Now you've probably heard of Segway for their self-balancing scooters and their personal transporters, but they've also been quietly revolutionizing yard care. And this X3 series might just be their most polished release yet. Now, if you've been following this channel, you may have also seen my previous video where I got to preview this amazing machine at CES this past January. And during this past summer, I was sent and I have been using this X350 throughout the entire summer. This robot mower covers lawns up to 1.5 acres, and after months of mowing, testing, mapping, and even a few nights watching it glide silently under the stars, I can confidently say that this thing feels like the king of lawnmowers. Now, you may also remember my previous video where I reviewed this i110 robot lawnmower, also from Navimow, and I gotta say, they took the X series to the next level. Anyways, let's break down what makes this mower special, what I love about it, and where I think it could still use a little bit of polish. Okay, so first off, let's talk about the design. Segway took everything that people loved about the original H and I series mowers and they leveled it up, both literally and figuratively. This X3 series feels more premium, more robust, and it's engineered for real-world conditions. The X350 has this sleek aerodynamic shell with IPX6 weather protection, and underneath, it hides some seriously impressive engineering, including upgraded motors, larger traction wheels, and a redesigned docking system. Now, you can tell that they've been listening to the feedback from their users, and they also encourage that input and feedback. And based on that input, things like the control interface has been refined, which is one of the standout features of this mower. There's now a dot matrix display right on top so you can quickly check mowing status or even battery levels without pulling out your phone to check the app. It's subtle, but it does add to that smart device feeling. Now, just like previous model, it also comes fully packaged with everything that you need to get started. And when it comes to setup, which is where most robotic mowers either shine or completely frustrates you, the setup was easy and beginner friendly. This Navimow X3 series ditches the boundary wires entirely thanks to its new exact fusion locating system, which is also known as the EFLS 3.0 system. Instead of spending half your weekend laying perimeter wire, you can map your lawn virtually using the GNSS navigation combined with visual and inertial sensors, or what they like to call VIO. And it's also got a 3-camera V-SLAM system that provides a massive 300-degree field of view. So you've got all these different redundancies so that it can see and map your entire yard. Translation? The X350 knows exactly where it is within centimeters, even when the GPS signal is obstructed or drops under trees or even near fences. Now overall, setup took me about 30 minutes from unboxing to mapping and starting my first job. And it was surprisingly intuitive. In fact, the Navimow app actually walks you through everything step by step. And you can even fine-tune zones or exclude flower beds and areas on your yard with just a few taps and a click of a button. In addition to that, there is also an optional dual RTK station setup for people with larger or trickier yards, which adds redundancy and precision, which I think is perfect if your property has a mix of open areas and tree coverage, or in general if you want to set up mowing for both your backyard and your front yard separately. This level of positioning accuracy is something that most mowers still struggle with. And honestly, it's one of the X350's biggest selling points. Now, when it comes to mowing performance, which of course is the most important thing and the heart of the entire mowing experience, Segway claims that this X3 series can mow up to 1.25 acres in just 24 hours, which is about twice as efficient as the average robot mower in this same category. And after testing it out over the last few months, that definitely checks out. This X350's running speed has doubled from older models, from 0.5 to 1 meters per second. And the charging speed is actually now 3 times faster. In practice, that means about 30 minutes of charging gives you roughly 0.125 acres of mowing, which I gotta say is pretty amazing for a mower. In addition to that, this mower is always constantly optimizing its routes, which means no more zigzags, and the result is these clean, satisfying lines across your entire lawn. I'd actually compare it to what you get from a pro landscaper with a pattern obsession. Now even better, the quiet operation. Under standard mode, it runs under 60 decibels, which is quieter than a normal conversation. I've literally run it at night and it's barely noticeable at full speed. Plus, that also makes it environmentally friendly because there's no gas, no fumes, and no need to schedule someone to mow your lawn every single week. Now, to be completely transparent, it is a bit pricey because ideally it's made for commercial use, coming in at around $3,500 for this X350. But if you think about it, it starts paying for itself in about a year or two, especially if you're someone who currently pays for lawn care services, which is something that I used to do until I started experimenting with these robot lawnmowers. Now, going back to performance, when it comes to terrain, here's where this Navimow really earns its X factor. Segway didn't just make this mower faster, they made it smarter and tougher. The traction control system gives it off-road vehicle grade grip, letting it handle 50-degree inclines, wet grass, gravel, and even muddy patches, which is where a lot of other robot mower brands struggle. And combined with that VisionFence obstacle detection, which now uses 3 cameras plus a time of flight sensor, it can recognize and avoid over 200 types of objects, from garden gnomes and hoses to pets and even suspended obstacles like hammocks, ropes, and swings. I gotta say, that has been actually one of the most impressive parts about testing this mower out, is just seeing what obstacles it does avoid and how confidently it navigates narrow paths, uneven ground, and even shady tree areas without getting stuck or confused. Now, when it comes to night mowing, it's totally doable. The VisionFence has night vision enhancements, so it sees just as well after sunset as it does during the day. It's actually the first mower that I've used that I truly trust to run completely unsupervised. Now, of course, it wouldn't be a Segway device without smart integrations. The X3 Series works with Amazon and Google ecosystems, so you can literally say, "Hey Google, send Navimow home," and watch it zip back to the station to charge. You can even customize the mower's name and voice, which, by the way, mine's named Lawnzilla. And there's even a doodle mode in the app that lets you create fun patterns or logos into your grass by uploading or selecting an image. It's perfect for anyone who likes to flex their creativity, which, isn't a feature that I'm really using that much, but it's nice to know that it is there. In addition to that, there is also anti-theft GPS tracking, so you always know where this mower is. And if you want, you can even tuck an AirTag inside for good measure. And then, of course, the AI-assisted mapping feature can suggest mowing strategies based on your yard's layout and the configuration you've got. It's actually like having a little lawn care consultant built right into the app itself. Now, these interactive features make it more than just a mower. It actually feels like a connected home device that just happens to manicure your entire lawn. Now, in everyday use, what stood out the most was the consistency. Whether it's sunny, damp, or breeze, this Navimow X350 adapts. It automatically returns to the charging dock when the weather turns bad or the battery dips below 15%. Then it resumes exactly where it left off. Now, when it comes to maintenance, keeping up with this robot mower is actually quite minimal. A quick cleansing every week, and maybe occasionally changing out the blades when they do get dull, and that's about it. In addition to that, the app sends firmware updates over the air, and I've noticed small improvements ever since getting this robot. I've noticed things such as better route planning, quicker obstacle detection, and smoother starts on slopes. And then, in addition to that, you've also got this amazing expansion bay on the side, which I learned about at CES for potential future add-ons. Now I'm thinking, and something that we talked about were edging attachments, weed whacker attachments, and pretty much anything else that you might need from a lawn maintenance perspective. They did also ask for my thoughts, and they absolutely want to hear from you, any suggestions that you might have. So I'm excited to see what they come up with for this mower. After using this mower for the last few months, it's clear that Segway designed this for longevity and reliability, two areas where robotic mowers have historically struggled. Okay, so let's sum up my final thoughts after using this mower throughout the entire summer months. The Segway Navimow X350 is hands down one of the most advanced robotic lawnmowers on the market right now. It's fast, it's accurate, quiet, and it's incredibly smart. And it's also built to handle real-world lawns and not just perfect flat test fields, which you see at places like CES. It actually works on all types of lawns. Now, I will agree that this robot mower is definitely not cheap, especially with a starting price of around $3,500. And I would even consider this a premium investment. But for anyone with a medium to large yard, the convenience, the precision, and the sheer autonomy you get here absolutely, I think, justifies the price for what you get. Now, also when considering the price, I'm also thinking about the tech and the features, the durability, and the potential for expansion, especially using this expansion port. Now, if you're someone who's been hesitant about robot mowers in the past because of setup hassles, performance quirks, or even their capability to replace lawn mowing services, this might be the one robot mower that changes your mind. Now, if this X350 is too much for you, you can also look at the different models for smaller lawns, such as the X315 or the X330, which of course might be a better fit. And then if you've got a full estate, well, there's also the X390, which covers up to 2.5 acres. So Segway definitely does have you covered at every level. In addition to that, they've also got their more price-conscious models, the Series I and H mowers. Anyways, overall, Segway definitely, in my book, nailed it with this X3 Series mower. They've made a robot mower that's efficient, intelligent, and something that's actually enjoyable to own. Now, if you want to learn more or even purchase one for yourself, I'll leave links and any seasonal promotion codes in the description section below. Now, if you enjoyed or found this video useful and you're into smart home tech reviews and robots like this, make sure you also hit that like button, subscribe, and leave me a comment with your thoughts, because I've got more outdoor automation reviews coming soon. Anyways, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.